Before you begin, remove the access panel, the fan diverter, and the fan diverter rear or rear system fan, if installed. Removal. Disconnect the heatsink and fan assembly cable from the motherboard. Loosen the 4 captive Torx T15 screws in a diagonal pattern to release the heatsink and fan assembly from the system board. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the motherboard. Remove the heatsink and fan assembly. Note: if you are reusing the heatsink and fan assembly, remove the thermal grease with an alcohol swab. Replacement. Note: replace the thermal grease before replacing the heatsink and fan assembly. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink and fan assembly is removed. Align the Torx T15 screws on the heatsink and fan assembly with the screw holes on the motherboard. Place the heatsink and fan assembly into position and tighten the 4 Torx T15 screws to secure the heatsink and fan assembly to the motherboard. Reconnect the heatsink and fan assembly cable to the motherboard.